Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Scorpios. This is your daily love tarot reading, Scorpios. Let us see what is coming up, guys. Two of Swords, Ten of Wands, Page of Swords, Knight of Cups, Strength. Scorpios, with these cards, I feel you are having that equipoise in your life. You are balancing really well between your work and your relationship, and you are very friendly with this person. You have that great affection and intimacy with this person, and you are really happy how things are going forward. You may be getting some unexpected visit from some friends or visitors, something of that sort, guys, or some unexpected gift also, and you feel you are in a position of power, authority, and people look up to you for counsel, and you are the one who is carrying their responsibilities, and you may be the reason for the success in things. Maybe this may be in your work or at home in your relationship. Your person may feel you are the fortunate one, and you are the reason for their success, and you may be the one who is motivating them to do well in life or something of that sort, guys. So maybe for some reason, because of these qualities of yours, because of these qualities, somebody or someone from your close circle or friends or family, they may have some kind of jealousy towards you, and they may be talking to people. They may be trying to find out your secrets, and they are not well disposed to you guys, and they may be trying to find something bad about you, and they may try to gossip about you, or this may be your person also. They may try to find something bad about you because they feel you are really good, and they cannot accept that anyone can be so good. So they are trying to find something bad about you. They may be talking to your friends, spying about you, finding out about you. So that may also be the energy here, Scorpios. So let us see what is coming up with these cards, guys. I'll be picking few cards from this deck. Lady, Child, Sun, Scorpios. With these cards, I feel maybe your person is really immature, guys. They may be immature. That is the reason they are going in and prying about you, talking about you to other people. They may want to find something bad about you, or this may be your energy. You are intimidated by this person, by the way they are, and you want to find about them their true secrets or something of that sort, guys. But with this card, with the Sun card, So all these negatives are just going to disappear from your life, guys. This relationship is going to be with great potential. You may feel that this person is a soulmate for you, some kind of deep connection you would have with this person, guys. And maybe for some of you all, you may be planning to have a family with this person, or you may be already you may have a child with this person or something of that sort, guys. So that may also be the energy here, guys. And maybe this person has great aspirations, guys, and for their life. Maybe they want you to travel with them, spend time with you. So that may also be the energy here. You may be planning to travel abroad, something of that sort. And this person is open to this deep committed relationship, and they are very much interested to start a family with you. So that is also the energy here, guys. So lots of optimism and vitality in this relationship, guys, and you feel really inspired, and you will succeed in this relationship. You will be able to create that deep bond with this person, deep commitment with this person. So that is also the energy here, Scorpios. So you are really happy where you are right now, guys. Maybe for some of you all, you may be following some habits, some sports activities, or some habits that may be happening. That may be the reason that this person is talking about you. They may be criticizing you because of that also. So that may also be the reason for their talking about you, guys. Or you may be talking about them because of some habits of theirs. So that is the energy with these cards, Scorpios. So let us see what the fairies are guiding us with today. I'll be picking one card from this deck, guys. Lantern Fairy, a clear solution. Scorpios, with this card, I feel throughout our life we face so many challenges, and sometimes our universe guides us in a particular way. It leads us to a particular situation where we feel true love, kindness, and freedom, guys. So sometimes in life we should change our stubborn thinking, and we should go with the flow and trust the situation or the person with whom we feel the true love, kindness. And we have to give up our anger, hatred, and judgment and blame, whatever it is, guys, whatever we feel, all the negatives. And sometimes we have to trust where the universe is leading us towards love. So that is a energy with this card, guys. So instead of remaining isolated, we have to we should not be a barrier to our own self. We have to open our arms and welcome love and light into our lives. So that is a energy here with this card, guys. When you do that, you will automatically find your clear solution for any situation, Scorpios. So that is the energy with these cards, guys. That is the reading for today, Scorpios. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Scorpios.